Thinking about investing in real estate? It's one of the most popular ways to build wealth, but it's not all sunshine and profits. In today's video, we're breaking down the real pros and cons of real estate investing. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned investor, stick around. This might just save you from making costly mistakes. 1. The pros of real estate investing. Let's start with the good stuff. Why so many people swear by real estate investing. Here are the biggest pros that make it so appealing. 1. Cash flow. If you own rental properties, you can earn monthly passive income. Think of it like a paycheck without a 9-to-5. 2. Appreciation. Over time, properties tend to increase in value, which builds your wealth even if you don't sell. 3. Tax benefits. From mortgage interest deductions to depreciation, real estate offers some of the best tax breaks. 4. Leverage. You can use other people's money, like a bank loan, to buy properties and amplify your returns. One of my favorite things about real estate is that it's a tangible asset. You can see it, touch it, and even live in it. But before you dive in, you need to know there's a flip side to every pro. 2. The cons of real estate investing. Now, let's talk about the challenges. Real estate can be incredibly rewarding, but it's not without its downsides. 1. High initial costs. Buying property often requires a hefty down payment, closing costs, and other fees. 2. Ongoing expenses. Maintenance, repairs, property management, and taxes can eat into your profits. 3. Time-intensive. Managing tenants, finding deals, and maintaining properties takes time and effort. 4. Risk of vacancies. If you can't find tenants, you'll still need to cover the mortgage and expenses yourself. 5. Market fluctuations. Property values can drop, especially during economic downturns. One big con? Real estate is illiquid, meaning it's not as easy to sell as stocks or bonds. If you need cash fast, you might be out of luck. Some key considerations before investing. So, how do you decide if real estate is right for you? Ask yourself these key questions before jumping in. What's your financial goal? Cash flow or long-term growth? Do you have the time and skills to manage properties? Can you handle the risks, like vacancies or market dips? Do you have a strong emergency fund in case unexpected expenses come up? If you're not ready to manage tenants or take on the risks, consider alternatives like real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding platforms. 4. Real-world examples. Let's look at 2 examples to put these pros and cons into perspective. Example 1. A rental property that generates $2,000 per month in cash flow, but required $30,000 in upfront costs. Example 2. A property bought for appreciation, which grew in value by $50,000 over 5 years, but required significant repairs during that time. Each investment is unique, so understanding your goals is key to making the right choice. 5. Final thoughts and action plan. So, is real estate investing worth it? The answer depends on you, your goals, finances, and risk tolerance. If you're ready to dive in, here's your action plan. 1. Start saving for that down payment or look into creative financing options. 2. Research your local market to find the best opportunities. 3. Build a network of real estate agents, lenders, and mentors to help you along the way. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the pros and cons of real estate investing, hit the like button and subscribe for more weekly tips. Got questions or your own real estate experiences? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.